World Languages and Cultures offers students the opportunity to study 11 different foreign languages.
So we offer a variety of languages, and importantly, if you've taken a language in high school, we offer a placement exam to help you decide which level of class you might want to be in.
I chose to study Spanish because I had a passion for the language from very early on in high school, and also because in the job market I feel like it'll set me apart from other applicants because there's such a huge Spanish-speaking population and it's such a versatile skill.
I was going to do seminary prep and just to be able to read, the Bible in the original language. And I was just fascinated with the language and fascinated with the culture because while you're studying Greek, you get to read ancient literature and poetry and history.
I think one of our major strengths is the size of our classes. So our class sizes are capped, even at the lowest levels, at a 25 student maximum. So sometimes you'll take a language class and there will be 12 students in the class with you.
So here at BG we have a wonderful program that goes to Alcalá, Spain. And I am very interested in going, because everyone who goes says it was life-changing. And I think that the next step in learning Spanish is to actually go to a Spanish-speaking country.
I think our study abroad sets us apart from a lot of other institutions. And one of the biggest benefits to the BGSU programs in Spain and Austria is that BGSU owns those programs. And what that means for the student, importantly, is that your financial aid goes with you. So what you pay to study on campus is what you pay to study abroad.
So I'm a member of La Comunidad, which is a learning community for really anyone interested in Spanish. You don't have to be a major. I'm a major. You don't have to. And it's people of all varying different levels, and they come together, and their sole purpose is just to expose themselves to more Spanish.
World Languages and Cultures is a place where doors get open that you didn't even know existed.
I think when you think of language, you think, oh, you're going to go on to teach language, you're going to be a translator or an interpreter. And all of those jobs are high-need jobs. So one of the things we can say about those three types of professions is that we guarantee you a job upon graduation. We have so many high schools desperately calling us for teachers. But in addition to that, as I mentioned before, any job that requires interaction with other people affords you that opportunity to use your language and sets you apart from other people who might be applying for that same position.
After graduating, I hope to become a speech and language pathologist who treats bilingual populations.
After I graduate, I want to keep studying Greek. I want to take the skills I've learned and continue to use them and continue to learn about ancient history through Greek texts.
Really, I feel that any major that you have, that ability to develop your intercultural competence, your ability to talk with other people and relate to cultures that are distinct from your own, sets you apart from your peers.
Our strengths as a department are that we offer over 30 faculty with expertise in 11 different foreign languages and cultures.
My supervisor supports me, in continuing my education. When you study the languages, you're learning grammar, you're learning syntax and pronunciation, but at the same time, you're reading some of the oldest stories on Earth, and you're reading some of the most iconic and prototypical stories that influence our art and culture today, and that has just been a really rewarding experience.